The PJs, the slightly different halfway up and back down letters. The PJs consist of two letters, P and J, but we're talking about the letter formation of the lowercase p and j. If you remember from our previous little video, the N family, or the halfway up and straight back down family, consisted of N and M and R and U and Y and I. Now P and J are basically in the same family, but they're just that little bit different, so we need to think about them in a different way. And since PJ, pyjamas, we can remember that, it might help us. So with a P, we start at the bottom, we swoop up halfway, and we come back down, but then we don't stop at the line, do we? So we need to keep going down, and then back up and over, and a swoop to get ready for the next letter. Can you see the important difference? We're coming straight down under the line. Straight down under the line. So whilst we are coming straight back down, we keep going. Unlike an I and an R and everything else, we keep going down. So that's why P is slightly different. We also, in the PJs, have J. Now, why is J different? Well, we start at the bottom, we swoop up halfway, and we come back down. But just like a P, what do? We keep going underneath. We come back under, and we get ready for the next letter. And then, if it's the end of the word, we come back and dot the J. I don't think there's many words in English ending in J. I can't think of any. Can you think of some? There might be some. So we need to remember that for later on. Let's say we're writing the word jam. Start at the bottom. So we need to think this is the PJs. So it's like the N, but instead of stopping at the bottom, we keep going. We come under. We're going to write jam. So we're going to do an A next, and A is in the C family. So we need to go up and over to 2 o'clock. Come back around, go up a little bit, come back down. Next letter is M. M is in the N family, so it's a bit like a J. It goes up halfway and straight back down, but then we go over the mountain twice and get ready for the next letter. There isn't a letter because it's the end of a word, so we just let go. It leaves a nice little flick. Then we go back and dot the J. So you can see how J and P are very, very similar to the N family. Let's remind ourselves of the N family. N, M, R, U, Y, I. And then we have P and J. Did I rush those? I did. Are they on the line? No, there's no line. Are they too big? Probably. Are they consistent size? More or less. Are they beautiful? I don't think so. But is the letter formation there? It is. It's consistent. Once I've got the habit of the letter formation correct, I can then outsource that stress to my long-term memory, so I don't have to be thinking all the time about the letter formation, and then I can concentrate on making it beautiful. Then I can concentrate on writing against the margin. Then I can concentrate on writing on the line and doing finger spaces and maybe even spelling things correctly. Get the letter formation right first. Don't worry about it being beautiful as such.